Hello everyone, I hope that you are all fine and good. And today we are gonna make Gajrela, and I'm sure so many of you know about it, that how to make it. But today I'm gonna tell you about my recipe. So I have mentioned all the ingredients which we require for this recipe, that is labeled and you can see on the screen. So yeah, these are the ingredients which we require for this recipe to make the yummiest Gajrela. So guys, in a pot add the milk. ओके दिस इज़ 1 लीटर मिल्क एंड 1 लीटर बाद में इसको मैं इस्तेमाल करूँगी। 1 लीटर अभी हमने इसमें डाला है, ठीक है। और इसके साथ ही आई एम गोना ऐड द ग्रेटेड कैरेट्स इन इट। दिस इज़ 300 ग्राम्स। यू कैन ऐड मोर क्वांटिटीज अप टू यू, आप जितना भी बनाना चाहते हैं उस हिसाब से इतनी आपको सर्विंग रखनी है, राइट। नाउ आई एम गोना ऐड मोर मिल्क इन इट, ठीक है। अब ये सोक्ड किए हुए राइस हैं जो कि मैंने पहले से भिगो कर रखे थे, हाफ एन आवर बिफोर आपने इनको डाल देना है। और ये 1/4 कप है। आपने इन तीनों चीज़ों को अच्छी तरह से मिक्स करना है। एंड नाउ आई एम गोना लेट इट कुक ऑन लो फ्लेम फॉर अबाउट 30 to 40 minutes. Cover it and cook it on low flame for about 40 minutes, right? Yeah. Now I'm gonna add sugar. Mix it well until sugar is dissolved. Cook it more until milk is reduced and thickened. So now I'm gonna add the cardamom. आप चाहें तो इसका पाउडर भी डाल सकते हैं, it's up to you. So let it cook and until it gets thickened and milk get reduced. So now this is ready. So yeah, this is my very secret ingredient which I like to add in all my puddings, that is condensed milk. This is optional, by the way. If you want to add it, then the choice is yours, but I would suggest that it's very good to go from my side, right? Because it enhances the flavor of Gajrela. So now you can serve it cold or hot. So this is absolutely done, and the very delicious and mouth-watering Gajrela is ready. Enjoy this whole winters, and this is very yummy. So yeah, go ahead and give this recipe a try if you do like it. So please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more updates and for more new videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.